Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, high pressure has moved in behind that frontal boundary that moved through the region yesterday, providing us with clear skies this morning and some cooler conditions. We saw a pretty windy day yesterday ahead of that frontal boundary as some very warm air was brought out ahead of that front. Temperatures rising into the mid to upper 60s across the region yesterday, and we saw those winds quite breezy with wind gusts up around 35 to 40 miles per hour at times during the afternoon and evening hours last night. But fortunately, we're seeing some better conditions this morning, although cooler, and we'll see even cooler conditions by the middle of the week as we have a secondary push of cooler air that will be arriving tomorrow into tomorrow night. I want to take a look here at our current surface analysis, and you can see high pressure building in from the west that will be providing us with that dry condition today, and really not seeing much in the way of cloudiness throughout the remainder of the day today. Could see some increase in cloudiness tomorrow as that secondary frontal boundary pushes through the area with partly to mostly cloudy skies expected, but overall seeing plenty of sunshine as we go throughout the day today and throughout much of this week. Upper level wind data showing our winds generally out of a northwesterly direction at the surface and then all the way up to 25,000 feet, seeing that westerly component continuing with those winds increasing up to around 105 knots at the 25,000 foot level, where we see a wind out of the west southwest direction. Freezing level is at 8,300 feet. Taking a quick look at our radar, you can see nothing in the area and not expecting any precipitation as we go throughout the morning and afternoon today. And looking at the satellite imagery, you can see really nothing in the way of cloudiness across the Delmarva Peninsula this morning. Seeing some clouds off to our north around the Pennsylvania, central portions of Pennsylvania this morning. But again, for us in our general vicinity, not seeing anything popping as far as cloud coverage goes for today. Looking at our forecast model and what we can expect here for the next couple of days, starting out here later this afternoon and into the evening hours, you can see really nothing showing up as far as any precipitation concerns. Going into the evening hours tonight and into tomorrow, you see a little bit of rainfall activity off to our north up into Pennsylvania and New Jersey. But for us, not seeing any of that precipitation threat really making it down here. We will see partly to mostly cloudy skies with that upper level trough and secondary push of air, cold air moving through the region tomorrow night into Wednesday. And that'll be the main story for this week, will be the coldest air mass of the season so far arriving by the middle of the week, with temperatures close to freezing by Wednesday morning. Into the day on Wednesday, we'll see that cool air continue with highs really only reaching into the mid to upper 40s. And then switching over here to our long range model, you can see for the middle and end of the week, pretty much much of the same, as we'll see that high pressure dominating our weather, providing us with partly cloudy to mostly clear skies as we go into the end of the week and into the weekend, where we'll see that high pressure controlling our weather for Friday and Saturday as well. Looking like some pretty nice conditions shaping up for us by the end of the week and into the weekend, with those temperatures warming back up into the low to mid 60s by Saturday and into Sunday. So taking a look here at our next 24 hours, you can see a green chart across the board, really no hazardous weather to be concerned with. We will see those temperatures warming into the upper 50s, then down into the low 40s overnight tonight, where we'll see a chilly evening in store for us, but nothing quite as cold as what we'll see for the middle of the week. We see those temperatures dropping into the low 30s. We'll see temperatures threatening that freezing mark by Wednesday morning, 33 degrees, only seeing a high of around 46 degrees for Wednesday. We'll also see some windy conditions for Tuesday and Wednesday as well. Partly sunny and windy conditions tomorrow, with those winds gusting up to around 30 to 35 miles per hour. For Wednesday, continue to see breezy conditions with those cool temperatures as well. So wind chills may even dip down into the 20s by Wednesday morning, with those cold temperatures combined with those breezy winds. And then we'll see some moderating temperatures for the end of the week. Thursday and Friday looking much better as far as temperatures go, with the wind dying down a bit as well. So more comfortable conditions by the end of the week and into the weekend, looking at very nice conditions overall. That'll wrap it up for today's daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.